welcome to my sewing room. Today, join me in making one of these flat zipper pouches. This is a really easy to make, and if you've never put a zip in anything before, this is probably the easiest way to learn how to. This bag should take you less than 10 minutes once you've practiced it a few times. Right then, let's get started. Come on in.
For this project you will need 4 pieces of fabric, 2 outer, 2 lining, each measuring 9 by 7 inches. You will also need a zip, scissors, pins, thread, a ruler or measuring tape and your sewing machine. We are now ready to insert our zip. Place your zip on top of one lining piece, right side facing up. Now place an outer bag piece right side down on top, pin in place and sew along this edge. Now do the same with your other 2 pieces of fabric. You will see your 2 main fabrics are facing each other. Sew along the top edge again. We now need to pin our bag in place to sew. As you can see, it is lining to lining, main to main. Your zip teeth should be pointing away from your main fabric. This is really important for getting your zipper properly in place. Measure a 3-inch gap. This is where we will turn our bag through once it's been sewn together. Starting at your first point for your 3-inch gap, sew all the way around the bags until you get back to the second point for your 3-inch gap, adjusting as you go. Remove your pins and snip the 4 corners. Turn your bag through that gap and make sure you get right into that corners. I use a blunt pencil sometimes to help me with this. Stitch your gap closed.
Okay, so cut off any loose threads. Now all that's left to do is tuck the lining into your main bag. So just push those corners into your corners. There we are, just stick that up. In under 10 minutes, a really cute, easy bag. Great for your cosmetics, a pencil case, or maybe you just want to put some bits and pieces into your handbag. You can use this to transfer handbags. So if you like this tutorial, there's a free template available on my website, www.delishdesignbags.co.uk, and yeah, if you like the tutorial, feel free to subscribe and give me a wee like below. Thanks for watching.